Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Yes, unbelievable, beautiful collection from Indian Ocean. It is real Goddess Mahalakshmi conch collected from Indian Ocean. And conch also looking in the shape of Deepam. Deepam means the fire. Deepam. See, perfect in the shape of Deepam. It is. What's special is, you see clear, you see 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear 7 lines. 7 lines for Goddess Mahalakshmi. And it is a beautiful puja conch, beautiful shape, natural white color is for Goddess Mahalakshmi collected from Indian Ocean. By having this conch with you, definitely your business will get huge improvement and will get huge profit in your business. Such an amazing collection it is. It's a puja conch, beautiful puja conch collected from Indian Ocean. It is having 7 lines for Goddess Mahalakshmi. And in the shape of Deepam. It's the first time puja conch collected in the shape of Deepam. Beautiful Goddess Mahalakshmi conch from Indian Ocean. It is very unique collection. Just only one piece in the world. Very unique collection. Just one piece in the world. Very rare specimen. It is very rare specimen with 7 lines for Goddess Mahalakshmi and white color, naturally white color. It's real Goddess Mahalakshmi Deepam conch collected from Indian Ocean. Gives huge profit and improvement in business. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.